If you're looking for a remote job, something you can do from any location in the world, watch this video till the end, because I'm going to share 4 companies that are currently taking people from any location to work as transcribers and translators. Welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time we talk about how to make money online, please support the channel by subscribing. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know if you apply to these jobs and if you're taking. Don't forget to leave a like and share the video to other people who might be interested in remote jobs. The first company we are going to look at is called TranscribeMe. TranscribeMe take freelancers like us to work for them from anywhere. It says become a freelancer and start earning anywhere. So you're going to join the team of freelancers and you start working on projects from anywhere, anytime. So you can see that they pay between $15 to $22 per audio hour. And you guys know that per audio hour means whenever you complete an audio that you are giving to. So even if it takes you 15 minutes, 10 minutes, 5 minutes to complete an audio, it means an hour and you're going to be paid the full amount of money. So you're going to be paid $15 to $22 per audio hour. Also, you can earn up to $250 monthly average earnings. And again, there are some special teams. If you're a professional, you know that you have a very high typing speed. You're going to be paid between $60 to $70 per audio hour. So for you to become a transcriptionist, you need at least a laptop, a mobile phone, and a very strong internet connection. You also need a foot pedal for this particular job. So you're going to work from the comfort of your home, on the road, or anywhere, whenever you want and how much you want. So you're going to transcribe short 2 to 4 minute clips, not long interviews. When one clip is complete, their system sends another to transcribe. There's no limit to how many you can process in a day. So you're also going to grow your skills as you proceed with them. You can see the reviews, people that have worked with these people. These are legitimate companies that are taking transcribers from anywhere in the world. So if you want to join the team, you just come and click on start freelancing, and then it takes you to the page where you're going to sign up. So these companies basically hires us to transcribe audio files, such as the ones you see on the YouTube captions. So that is all you do for them. You transcribe audio messages and you get paid. So once you click on start freelancing, it brings you to this page. Sometimes they are out of, sometimes they're not taking people, but today they are currently taking. You say earn money while working from the comfort of your home. Work flexibly from anywhere on a variety of work, including transcription, translation, annotation, and subtitling. So if you're ready to join their team and start your career, just click on sign up. So I just wanted to show you guys that you can work from any region, any location. Always, talk about Nigeria, because most of my subscribers are from Nigeria. So you can see that they're taking from Nigeria. They're taking from all locations, so you don't have anything to worry about. Zimbabwe, Zambia, just come and sign up. Put your email address, your name, select your region. So you're going to select your country and then you select Africa. And then you enter your email address, a password, and then you agree to their terms of service, and then that signs you up. The last time I checked this website, they were not taking. I couldn't sign up, but now I can see that it's open, and I'm going to do that after I'm done with this video. So the second one is AmberScript. AmberScript is also taking transcriptionists from all over the world. It says become a transcriber, subtitler, or translator. Apply now. Do you want to enjoy flexibility and work when you want, wherever you want? Do you have a laptop and a reliable internet connection? Then we have the perfect job for you. Sign up now and become an AmberScript transcriber, captioner, or translator. So you're going to work wherever you want. This can be from home or any place you like in the world, as long as there is a reliable internet connection. You can decide which jobs you would like to take. You're not obligated to transcribe a set amount of hours. Payouts every month. Receive monthly payout for all work completed either via PayPal or bank transfer. So how it works is that you choose if you want to be a transcriber, a captioner, or a translator. Based on your choice, complete the AmberScript online onboarding test. This one is very important. If you pass, you will be contacted as soon as a position opens up. You can only follow these courses if you are fluent speaker, native, or C1. If not, go to website in your native language and sign up there. So if you're ready to become a transcriber, you're going to click on Start Onboarding Test. This one, if you're ready as a captioner, I click on Start Onboarding Test. Guys, make sure that you have the time to complete this onboarding test. You must complete it straight away. So it says your task as a translator, you're going to watch videos. We're going to watch captioned videos. You're then going to revise the machine translated captions to make them perfect. You're going to format and synchronize text with audio. And the indicative pay for this one is between 3.5 euros to 6 euros per audio video minute. Like I said earlier, audio hour means the amount of time it takes you to complete an audio, but it must be within the hour. But even if it takes you less than a minute to complete it, it is counted as an hour and you get paid the full money. So for captioners, you're going to watch videos, revise the videos, the text generated from the videos, make them perfect, and then format and synchronize text with audio. They're paying up to 1.90 euros per audio and video minute. The same with the transcriber. So once you're ready, you're going to first of all check on the one that you want to go for. If you want to become a captioner or a translator or a transcriber. So the one you decide on, just click on Start your onboarding test, because once you click on it, it will start. Let me show you guys. So once you click on it, you're going to come here, create account. So after you create your account and continue, it says, please create an account so you can continue your courses anytime from any device. So once you create your account and sign up, it will take you to the page where you're going to start this onboarding test. I think it's about 20 minutes. So once you start the onboarding test, you must make sure to complete it at a go. If not, you'll be timed out. So once you come to this page after sign up, they will then take you to the page where you start your onboarding test, and I think it's about 20 minutes. Once you start it, guys, you must make sure that you have nothing else to do for that moment. You have to start and complete it, because once you're timed out, you will not be allowed to sign up again using the same email address or the same details you used in the first one. No, they will not allow you to come back in to try again. It's only once. So I'm telling you this out of experience. So we must have time to complete this course at a time. So once you pass it, the onboarding test, then they will not take you to the main page where the whole show starts. So the last one I wanted to show to you guys is this Go Transcript. They also take people from everywhere, and they have reliable payment method, which is PayPal and Payoneer. They pay on time as well. And you can start working in 2 steps. It's, are you detailed oriented with excellent grammar skills in your language and a fast typing speed? We seek skilled transcribers with a keen ear, accuracy, and a commitment to quality. Apply now. So this one is not taking English transcribers. I'm just sharing it as a bonus. So this is how the transcription thing works. You see, you do corrections. So they're not taking English transcribers at the moment. They also pay up to $1.1 per audio or video minute. They pay about $980 average earnings per month. They also pay top monthly earners up to $3,600. So they're not currently taking English transcribers, but I'm sharing it because some people, are perfect or are fluent in other languages. That is why I'm sharing it. So for this one, so once the position opens for English transcribers, they always do SMS verification. They will send you an SMS with a code. You will need to enter it to verify that it's your phone. Please note that SMS delivery can take a minute or more. They will do you a face photo during registration, and then real-time photo with verification code written on a paper. They want to make sure you're actually the one there. So they are taking from other languages, you can see. So even if you're not speaking English, if you're speaking French, Italian, German, Indian, Korean, so you can just check if your country is here, Polish, Romanian, and sign up, go to register. If you know that your language is here, they have over 40 languages. You can sign up. So I'm just sharing it as a bonus. They're not taking English transcribers at the moment, but they're taking over 40 other languages at the moment. So once you're ready and you're fluent in these other languages here, just click on sign up and apply now. So if you click on the apply now, then you'll be able to select, let's select Bengali. You see they're available now. They're taking Bengali. Say apply now. Just click on it. Says help us meet the growing demand for Bengali transcription. Apply today. Just click on apply. Then it brings you to this place where you're going to sign up using your email and your password, or you sign up using your Google account. And that is how this one works. So guys, I hope you go and check them out. Those of you looking for online jobs, go check them out. Also, help yourself by improving on your typing speed. Check out all those free websites where you can learn and improve your typing speed, and then apply, start working. Okay, this is how it works. Just improve on your typing speed and you're good to go. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope you go and sign up. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you have any type of content you want me to bring out, just leave it in the comment section and I will do my research and bring it to you guys. But don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, like and share the video. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back. Thank you for always commenting. And I also want to thank my channel members who subscribed to my channel membership. Thank you so much. God bless you all, and I'll see you in the next one.